This was an L topic. Like, what was this? No, I'm sorry, bro. Sorry to get meta again. What an L topic, bro. Like, come on, man. Like, just do it somewhere else.
You know what I'm saying, bro? Do it somewhere else.
Yes, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got into this situation. Well, after the trans video and all the Bridget stuff, the stream died. And as we were coming back, Matt decided to read out some of the chat. And it was very, very cursed, which made the rest of this video very, very cursed. So make sure to like and subscribe on the video because bruv, it's a bit nuts.
They said, what you doing if she spits in your mouth and there's chunks in? Oh, not fucking cute.
Hell no.
That's what I'm doing. I'll cut stream, bruv. That's what I'm doing.
Like nah, if it's just gum, man. Ugh, fucking gross. Alright, bro. I kind of want to move on from this spit topic, man. I regret bringing it up.
Yeah, look what you've done. Look what you've done.
Kerry ruined it with tonsil stones, bro.
Tonsil stones are so gross.
Yeah, fucking disgusting.
Imagine she like blows her nose at the table, gets tonsil stones on your food.
Ooh. How do you even get tonsil stones out of your nose? Yeah, I want to know. I don't want to know.
You're like hacking up a loogie or something at the table, spits tonsil stones all over your food.
Speaking of table manners, let me ask Chaos and Dom, bro, how do y'all feel about people blowing their nose at the dinner table?
Don't do that.
Please
you
don't.
Can at least like do it to the side or something, but like.
Yeah, like if they blow their nose at the side, like they turn away and blow their nose.
Nah, you gotta leave the table.
You can do that because I mean, if you've got tissues available with you, that's acceptable. But if you're just eating the food all out, and
you gotta do
not at my table.
There's usually not tissues at the table unless it's like
then
like
then
napkins.
You gotta go. Then leave. Like just go to the toilet or something.
I mean, if there's tissues at the table, however.
Bro, nobody leaves Kleenex at the table.
Yeah, I've never seen
that in your life.
People don't bring Kleenex to the table.
Not to blow the nose.
There's napkins.
Bruh.
Napkins ain't tissues. You wipe your nose with napkins, your nose.
What are you talking about? Like,
bro, your nose would get so irritated. You have to
blow your nose into a fucking Kleenex?
Bro, or tissue? Yes, because if you use a fucking napkin, right, you're gonna sit there and your nose is gonna be irritated. It's like wiping your ass with napkins.
Y'all
like, you don't
are
do that
such
shit.
bitches. What?
You wipe your ass with napkins? Do you wipe your ass with napkins?
You have to get your soft ass a damn tissue. Okay.
Do you wipe your ass with paper towels?
I'll use paper towel. I'll use a fucking napkin.
As a last resort, but generally.
Paper, I'll use a towel. I'll fucking use a leaf if I have to. Like, I need something to blow my fucking nose into.
Bro, I'm talking about if you had the choice.
I'm not about to hunt down the damn earth for a fucking Kleenex. The fuck? You gotta use what you got. The hell?
If you gotta blow your nose, take your ass to the bathroom. You sit there and you blow your nose at the table. That shit's gross.
I'm gonna turn away and blow my nose. Like, I'm not about to get up.
You're not blowing your nose at my table. I'll tell you that right now. You blow your nose at my table, you're going through the table. Like, there's no more table.
All right, have fun at your boring ass table.
Based on I got hands, that's all I need, bro.
My table's boring because I won't allow you to blow your fucking nose on my food.
Like, look, everybody can come to my table then. It's more lit.
Nobody trying to be at your nasty ass table.
Boring ass table.
Your tonsil stones everywhere.
The fuck you want. You can fart.
Ain't nobody trying to be at your fucking table.
You can blow your nose on the fucking tablecloth. I don't care. Like, just don't blow your fucking nose in my food. That's it.
No.
You know what I'm saying? Boogers that sit on her neck. You know what I'm talking about?
Disgusting, bro. Nah, you can have your mucus covered ass table. That's fucking gross.
Like, what? I'm not about to hunt the damn restaurant down for a fucking Kleenex. If they got napkins, they usually do. Grab some damn napkins. Like, that's literally what you do.
Okay, grab some napkins, get your ass up, and go to the bathroom.
I'm getting up and blowing my damn nose at the table.
I will dead ass kick over your chair. You blow your nose at my table. I'm telling you.
My table. Fuck said it was your table. Get the fuck out of here.
You what?
So, anyways, we're in agreement, right? Chaos, Dom, and chat. No blowing your nose at the table?
In the general sense, no blowing your nose at the table. There's, I guess, situations where you can, but overall, you shouldn't.
Yo, weird.
Thank you, dumbass. All right, let's move on.
Yeah, let's...
Lame ass.
This was an L topic. Like, what was this? No, I'm sorry, bro. Sorry to get meta again. What an L topic, bro. Like, come on, man. Like, just do it somewhere else.
I'm saying, bro, do it somewhere else.